Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people, any which part of the world on the day. Today, you know, I there and I had an exercise book in my hand. But I was just reflecting and I take my scissors and I cut my exercise book in a two. You remember back in idea when we mother or we granny used to take we exercise book and cut in a two and it would have served we long. Yes, man. And make I tell you no thing I not done yet. We also had with pencil. If it was a long pencil, sometime it would have cut in a two fi serve two smaddy. If one when on have rubber, me never like that one, yeah. But you see one with the rubber, this I one with me did like. But you know one thing me never like with this here pencil, yeah, me find say every minute me have to sharpen it. But me tell you something, we never have sharpener. This was we sharpener, and make I tell you something, we would use our knife and we would sharpen our pencil. And make I tell you something, you see when we write in a fair book, not no pretty, so you know, hey, another thing me remember, me no know how much I remember this. You see, if you never have rubber, you would have take elastic and you would have roll you up together, and this would have be your rubber. Make me tell you no, I don't lie, me I tell. You see that little mark here? Let me tell you something. You could have used your rubber, well, your elastic, and you could have rub you out. See there? You rub you out and see there, you rub out clean. So let me tell you something. A long way we come, you know. But me glad for the way me was brought up. Because that is why me write so pretty, you know. All them the time, my mother used to have me write and I practice with my little pencil and my half a book. It pay off because for me writing is very pretty. Me don't know if you don't agree with me, but nowadays speak me. They don't really do much writing in a school anymore. You know, as a matter of fact, some of them cannot even write properly. And it is because them no longer use the pencil and the book. Everybody use iPad, computer, and laptop. Hey, we have come a long way. Drop a line below, man, and tell me if you remember when you used to use your half a book with your little Peter pencil. And if you don't have no rubber, you would have roll up your elastic band them and use it as your rubber. As always, Mama Selva have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening, or night, any which part of the world on a day.